For your wiener?
It's a Christmas Eve donkey show.
Tongue bathe your noonie?
Gays! Gays! Gays!
Dirty trollop!
Hide your cherries.
No parents allowed.
It's Shadow, the black cat. Can you dig it? Tonight's episode, Panther Power.
Oh, Shadow, I could never imagine getting another kitty cat after you.
Damn right, bitch. Once you go black, you never go back. It's Shadow, the black cat. Can you dig it? Tonight's episode, Hungry for Justice.
Here you go. I got the chicken flavor because I know how much you love that chicken.
Chicken? Damn, honky! Am I gonna have to cut a motherfucker? Join us next time for more Shadow, the Black Cat. Damn right!
Wanna get muddy? Visit mudpuppets.com today!
Like, subscribe, comment, share, spread it like an STD. Alright, I know you sons of bitches are good at that. Let's think of these Mud Puppet videos as like digital extensions of your diseased genitals. And I want you to take those and spread them wantonly all over the internet. You know, Facebook, Twitter, add it to your YouTube playlist.